I don't know, we've got a bit of troubleshooting going on. There's something not quite right and they don't know what, so they're trying to see what's happened. Carl's taken the Panhard rod out that's busted and it has to be welded. So it's better to take it off, weld it and then put it back than try and do it in place.
You move from left to right? I don't want a stationary weld, I want a mobile.
Okay, what are we looking at?
Looking at a round thing and a long straight thing.
Right.
I think this is a bush in the middle of the sleeve, which goes on down to the longy thing,
right,
which is a Panhard rod. So just follow the rod. Follow the rod,
yeah.
to the right, to the right, to the right, to the
Why?
right. Now you've just panned hard.
Oh, don't be stupid. So that has to be welded back on?
Yeah, on there, like that.
And are you thinking that the other one's got a little bit of a stress on it or something and needs looking at?
The other one's got a crack on it, see this?
Where? Oh, I'm trying.
In the sun. There, where the rust is.
Oh dear. So that's got to be done before it actually falls off. Making the mask so that he can obviously see when he welds. We bought the little glass. And he's making the mask to fit the glass. Well, Carl and Jen, with a bit of help from Jeff and I, pushed those bush things out so that the welding can be done. They used the bull bar to do it and the jack and all that. And that has to be welded on. Water's ready in case we have any sparks that we have to deal with. The welder's ready and his apprentice helping him. Everything's organised.
No, it's alright.
Don't watch region.
I'm not.
Okay.
I don't think this will matter. I'm not going to really look. Stop welding. Tackle thing first. Put it in position before the real stronger welding gets done.
What is it that comes off when you hack at it like that?
Just the glass, yeah. Just roll around. So it's not going anywhere.
Smelting your crack.
The other end had a crack in it.
Just use up your rod on that last.
So he's fixing that so it doesn't get worse. That's the finished article. Looks all shiny and new now with lumps on it.
Guaranteed 5 metres or 5 minutes.
Alright, show us the other end now. You did a little touch-up job on it, didn't you?
Crack in it.
Yeah, he wanted to touch me up too.
Oh, don't talk stupid.
He said he wanted to weld my brain.
This is pushing the bushes back into the newly welded part.
Now just back off the sec please and go again. Keep going.
Go in.
Keep going. Okay, well, I'm back. Slowly. Keep going.
Is it going to pop
A
through?
bit more. No, it'll be fine. A little bit more.
That's what I
And
was-
stop. Okay, keep going. Stop. Back.
It's the second
Slowly.
one. Second one I put in.
Just a tad more, Jim. Okay, thing. Okay, off. And stop. Back. Come up again, and a little more. Back off, and out.
Well, Carl's put all the parts back again and I think he's happy with that it's all back together. Hopefully all will be well now.